Pistol is a broad-spectrum total herbicide with residual activity. It controls a wide range of annual and perennial broad-leaved weeds and grasses on soft and gravel surfaces in amenity situations. One application gives a knockdown of existing weeds and prevents seedling weeds from germinating for several months.
Hello, I'm John Hanley, I work for Maxwell Amenity. Today I'm going to be demonstrating Pistol. It's a residual herbicide, non-selective. It contains glyphosate and diflufenican. The glyphosate kills the weeds and the diflufenican creates a barrier to prevent the weeds germinating. It's used on gravel, soft surfaces, and in the Republic of Ireland it's used on hard surfaces. I've got 100 square metres to spray. The application rate for Pistol is 4.5 litres per hectare. I measure out 45 millilitres. I top up with a chemical and then I top up with water. I've just sprayed down the line there, bringing it up to 100 square metres. As you can see, it can be used in a variety of situations. We ensure we miss the drains. Always remember, because this is a professional product, you need the appropriate licence. You need to ensure that you've read the label to ensure that you've got the right protective equipment. The personal protective equipment you might need, such as nitrile gloves, face shield and coveralls. And when you've completed your application, ensure you fill in your record book.